Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings stand out in a crowded market? Let's face it, first impressions matter. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, your go-to cleaning service based right here in San Antonio. Owned by a retired Army veteran, we understand discipline, dedication, and meticulous attention to detail. Our professional team is dedicated to helping you prepare homes for sale, ensuring they shine before open houses or buyer visits. Quick turnarounds? Absolutely. We know time is of the essence in real estate, and we're here to help you make the most of it. With our reliable cleaning services, you'll improve property showings and close deals faster than ever before. Here's a tidy tip for you. For little to no cost, open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. A well-lit, bright space makes buyers feel more comfortable and highlights the best features of the home. So, if you want to transform your listings from drab to fab, TidyTex is the partner you need. Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Visit our website, call us at 210-951-8206, or email admin@tidytex.us. Let's make your properties irresistible together and elevate your real estate game.